Hello everyone, we are Team Future Fuel from Shri Vaishnav Institute of Technology and Science, Indore. I am Dhruv Raj Singh Chauhan as group leader,
And I am Dhananjay Bankhede as group member.
and we are here presenting before you our topic on biocoal. Biocoal, an alternative fuel for sustainable development. Firstly, we will discuss on future beyond coal. In the fast developing world, coal is the largest contributor to the human-made increase of CO2 in the atmosphere. Its environmental impact spreads far across many areas, from air pollution, water and waste management, up to the increased land use. In the phase of greenhouse gas emission, industries are seeking a new way to manage their environmental impact and reduce the carbon footprint of production. We are focusing on biocoal as an emerging trend to replace the fossil coal in the industry and specifically in metallurgical industry. So what is biocoal? Biocoal is an carbon neutral fuel that can replace fossil coal in industrial processes. It is also termed as biomass briquettes. Biocoal briquetting is the process of converting solid agricultural waste into high density and energy concentrated fuel briquettes. These briquettes are also called as white coal, which are a ready substitute of coal and wood in industrial boilers and brick kilns for thermal application. Biocoal briquetting plants are of various size, which converts agricultural waste into solid fuels. This development can significantly reduce greenhouse gases and heating costs and sustainably assist the development of rural communities. Biomass briquettes or biocoal is being highly compressed without adding any chemical glue and binder. Thus, it's a binderless technology product resulting in 100% natural, eco-friendly solid fuel. Biomass briquettes are a renewable source of energy and avoid adding fossil carbon to the atmosphere. A popular biomass briquette can take waste products such as sawdust, groundnut shell, cotton stick, cotton seed shell, etc., compresses it and then extrude it to make a reconstituent log that can replace firewood and coal. Its calorific value of the biocoal is 3900 kcal per kg. Moisture content of a briquette can be as low as 4%, whereas for firewood it may be as high as 55%. A very low moisture and ash content around 8% makes briquettes preferably solid fuel.
Environmental aspects. Coal has long been a reliable source of energy, but it comes with tremendous cost because it is incredibly dirty. The same chemistry that enable coal to produce energy, the breaking down of carbon molecules, also produce a number of profoundly harmful environmental impact and pollutants that harm public health. Air pollution and global warming are two of the most serious. So why biocoal? Biocoal development is becoming important due to many factors, including the rising cost of oil, natural gases, and electricity, and the scarcity of fossil fuel. The need to find alternative to fossil fuels and reduce greenhouse gas emission has prompted interest in biocoals by energy specialists around the world. A number of companies have switched from furnace oil, firewood, and coal to biomass to attain high efficiency and respect to sustainable development. Many companies are using biomass as a fuel to earn carbon credit, which is indirect advantage.
The process of biocoal production. Raw material is processed through crusher and grinding machine, which is further dried and sent to briquetting machine, where it is highly compressed and then cooled to form the finished product.
Silent features of biocoal. It is easy to burn because lower ignition temperature compared to coal. Smokeless burning and sustained combustion and the temperature requirement are achieved due to very efficient combustion. It leaves only white ash without any fixed carbon. Full heat value is utilized. Easy to handle and 1000 kg of briquettes per cubic meter can be stored and transported against 50 kg of agro waste. No toxic gas and sulfur emission are its key feature. Also, very low ash content as low as 2 to 5% compared to 30 to 49% in coal. The natural polymer lignin act as a binder and provide mechanical support, resistance to decay and repel water. Due to efficient utilization of agro waste, agriculturists will get income from their agro waste. So, what are the applications of biocoal? Biocoal replace the following conventional fuels that are used in mass quantities: diesel, kerosene, furnace oil, firewood, coal, and lignite. Various industries requiring heating application in making their products can make maximum use of biocoal and also save nation foreign exchange, which is especially used to purchase of crude oil. Some industries that are using biocoal as a fuel source are following: ceramic and refractory industries, spinning mills, solvent extraction plants, lamination industries, chemical units, leather industries, dyeing plants, and many more industries.
So, what's the conclusion? Biocoal can be a great alternative of convection fuels for sustainable development. It will reduce our dependency on fossil fuel also, which further will reserve our foreign exchange in purchasing crude oil from different countries. Further, it will generate income for farmers from various agricultural waste. By keeping these points in mind, it will definitely support the concept of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank
Thank
you.
you.